my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Real quickly, if you're new here, I just wanted to say welcome. This channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. I try to search for jobs and bring them to you basically as soon as they are posted. I get them out quickly, so make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on so you never miss out on any job leads posted. Now, as time goes on and job leads are still posted, sometimes I might reshare, but just know that you can get them on this channel first when they're posted. So hot job leads, you can get that application in and be one of the first to get it in before it is shared a lot of other places. With that being said, I always put the links to all the pages that I'm sharing directly in the YouTube description box below for ease of access, so you can get straight to that job lead and get your application in. I just ask that if you enjoy job leads that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. So diving right on in, I don't have Glassdoor pages pulled up for these jobs today, but I do have 5 different jobs to share with you in today's video. The first one is from the staffing agency Efficus. Now, they have a bunch of different jobs posted, but when you click the link, the very first one that comes up says this data entry specialist lead. If you click on that to load it, they are hiring 100% remote for this data entry operator. They do prefer somebody who's in the central time zone, but as long as you can convert your hours and work to that, it looks like you'll be a-okay. They are paying $25 an hour. This is going to be a temporary position lasting 6 to 9 months, but this is going to be prescription or RX data entry. So you're going to manage workflow and scheduling to ensure jobs are completed in a timely manner, analyzing and correcting work orders in the lab management software system, troubleshooting any issues to identify areas of improvement, recommending ideas to your manager or supervisor. You'll be auditing processes for relevant metrics, communicating and measuring addresses, individual and department performance gaps, assisting and training new hires as well. But a lot of this job is going to be data entry. You're going to be entering those RX or prescription orders into the lab management software, conducting price verifications, and processing redos in the lab management software. Now, as far as what they're looking for, somebody who can work in a fast-paced environment, somebody who can follow policies and procedures, somebody who has a high school diploma, and 4 years of previous related experience or training. So if you've got data entry experience, things like that, you've got to have basic math skills, the ability to add, subtract, and use those Microsoft Office systems like Word, Excel, and Outlook. But moving right along, if you're looking for a quality review type job where you just listen and monitor phone calls and give your feedback, then the company Brightwheel might be for you. They are hiring a quality specialist. This is remote for the United States. But they're basically looking for somebody to monitor their sales, cold calls, demos, and additional support calls for quality, process, and performance. You're going to produce concise, objective reports for each call review. So typing up a report on all your feedback for each call, identifying trends and best practices for takeaways for the sales and leadership teams, producing that reporting and maintain system data as needed, creating quality initiatives and training sessions, and being available to act as a team lead or trainer when needed. You'll review escalated calls as well when needed. So the thing is, you're going to listen to these phone calls, you're going to give feedback, fill out a form, and then if people need training, you'll do the training. So you'll create those initiatives or those quality points as well. As far as what they're looking for, no college degree is needed, just a high level of ability to understand context, somebody who can review a high volume of calls each day, someone who can produce error-free work against those demanding deadlines, So you've got to be able to manage your time well, be self-motivated, and you need to have knowledge of inside sales funnels. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $24.04 an hour all the way up to $25.96 an hour. If you're looking for even more money, though, Brightwheel is also hiring a customer engagement specialist if you don't mind actual customer service work. They're basically looking for somebody to ensure that all their customers continue to get that great value from Brightwheel and stay customers for a long time. So they're looking for somebody who will keep customers loyal while giving them the customer support that they need. You'll own adoption and renewal goals for high value customers. So you'll give these customer support through phone calls, Zoom, email, and text to assess with their engagement level within Brightwheel. You'll help identify problems, drive resolutions, and identify any product features that the customer would get value from. So even if it's not a feature in the product yet, you can get their feedback and escalate that up, maybe making it become a future feature. You're going to basically act as the voice of the customer, providing input for product and engineering teams, and just partnering all across with the different teams within Brightwheel, making sure the customers is taken care of from sales, marketing, and customer service. Again, no college degree is needed for this one. They do prefer somebody who has experience in sales, but it's not required. You do have to have a track record of being able to hit challenging goals or exceeding your goals that you've been done with. You've got to be comfortable taking a lot of calls. They say you will take 30 or more calls a day. You have to have those great listening skills because you're going to have to identify customer challenges, help them overcome that. So great communication skills. Pay for this position is $28.85 an hour. Now, moving right along, we do have a position from Vituity. Vituity is looking for an office assistant. This is, again, a remote nationwide for the United States. Now, Vituity is a healthcare company. They have 450 practice locations across the United States, and they are looking for somebody to just do administrative work, verifying and ensuring documents are accurate. So refund checks, comparing account notes, documentations, letters, addresses, just double checking everything, making sure there are no errors. If you'll identify any documents, files, and accounts that have errors, you'll help correct those during processing, putting notes in patient accounts for all actions like mailing or faxing any confirmations. You'll complete all this data entry and documentation, just processing, sorting, and routing any incoming data and doing with it what you need. Only a high school diploma or GED is needed, no college degree, and 1 year of job working experience is needed. You do have to be able to type 40 words per minute though, because it's a lot of data entry. They prefer somebody who's experienced with some kind of insurance billing, although it's not required as long as you have great communication skills, including great spelling, grammar, and punctuation, great organizational skills, and somebody who can navigate multiple computer systems at the same time. You'll probably be using multiple screens, so someone who is definitely a multitasker. Now, pay for this position is $15 an hour, but they do give a standard benefit package that includes dental, vision, life insurance, paid time off, all the things. And this next job I shared back on September 18th, but they are still hiring. So Crocs company owns HeyDudes. I made a whole video about it. This is the same job posting, but it's still available, so I thought I would share again. They're looking for an associate sales representative for their sporting goods department. They're basically looking for somebody to establish weekly sales reporting and analysis, somebody who can develop go-to-market presentations, somebody who can support retail marketing programs, and coordinate with the product marketing, finance, and logistics teams. You'll basically assist with sell-in and sell-through for any assigned accounts that you're assigned, identifying and tracking those new account opportunities. You'll maintain updated accounts and sales records, analyzing reports on your accounts weekly, and just providing marketplace insights to sales. So your accounts and your sales that you're going to be dealing with is going to be like bigger companies that are ordering, it sounds like, mass amounts of these to sell, maybe like in a store. Now, as far as what they're looking for, 1 to 3 years of experience in supporting sales, merchandising, or operation. You don't have to have a footwear experience, although if you do, that is preferred. Someone who has strong organizational and analytical skills, very detail oriented, and someone again who's proficient in those Microsoft Office systems, specifically Excel and PowerPoint. They do require a bachelor degree for this position. However, pay is $55,000 a year, all the way up to $70,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.